We're gonna skip that store-bought chicken taco seasoning mixes and we're gonna make our own homemade blend. So I have my bowl and all of my ingredients. Into the bowl, we're gonna add in a half a tablespoon of smoked paprika. You can use regular paprika if you would like as well. The smoke just gives it a little bit more flavor. Then we're gonna add in a half a tablespoon of ground chili powder. A half a tablespoon of ground cumin. A half tablespoon of onion powder. A half a tablespoon of garlic powder. One teaspoon of salt. I'm using kosher salt. You can use whatever kind you want. And we're going to add in a fourth of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. And a half a tablespoon of oregano. We got our whisk here, and we're just going to whisk all these ingredients together until they are blended. I have my little seasoning jar here and a funnel, and we're going to add that in. Now you're going to want to store this in an airtight container. You can use a spice jar just like I'm doing, or a mason jar. It'll last anywhere from 6 months to a year if it's properly stored. All right, let's put the lid on. I also want to make sure that I label this. That way I know what's in this. So I've used my label maker and I've printed up chicken taco seasoning. We're going to add that on. So you're going to want to store your chicken taco seasoning in a cool, dark place, such as a spice cabinet or in the pantry. And then you can use about 1 to 2 tablespoons per pound of meat or vegetables.